Well, for more on the markets, let's speak to Alex Zambrano from London. He's the Chief Market Strategist at ATFX Global. Good to have you with us, Alex. Now, investors around the world are digesting that oil price shock. Tell us more about how the markets are reacting.
I would say that the market has actually not reacted that much. And I think they could potentially be underestimating the impact that this could have in the long run on the economy. As you just mentioned, the numbers out of China are not very good. In the US as well, over the last few weeks, numbers have not been very good. So imagine now having crude oil prices at much higher levels. We have not seen, for example, a big reaction in the US stock markets that I would have assumed. And also in currency pairs like the Canadian dollar or the Norwegian kroner as well, you haven't had a big reaction. And I reckon the market thinks that things are going to be resolved quickly and that they're also underestimating the tensions between US and Iran. So we'll see over the next few days, I think, if crude oil prices linger around the current levels. I think that's going to start to get more priced into stocks, into the Japanese yen, but also in the other in currencies of countries like Norway and Canada that export crude oil.
Let's talk about Brexit now, because UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson seems to be on an impossible mission in Luxembourg as he prepares to try and get the EU to renegotiate that Brexit deal. How are investors feeling about that?
I think the way the market is positioned right now, they think that we will have a delay until January 31st of next year. Otherwise, the pound would not be trading at these levels. Of course, there's some people that say that he somehow is going to be able to avoid, asking for an extension. But the way the market is positioned right now is that we're going to have an extension. Now, if we don't get an extension, I'll bet you that the pound is going to slide dramatically and we'll see a significant drop in the pound. In the longer run, people even talk about the 105 level, which is the same as we've seen in 1985 for the pound. But right now, again, I think the market is positioned for a delay.
Okay, let's see